Just as the question is, how far back into the catalog do we dig? First record? You'll sing along for real?